The SOUTHWIRE Circuit Breaker Finder is a cutting-edge tool that allows electricians and technicians to quickly and easily locate the correct circuit breaker in a panel. This is a particularly useful tool for those working on older electrical systems, where the circuit breaker labels may be worn or missing. The Circuit Breaker Finder works by transmitting a signal through the electrical system, which is then picked up by the receiver. The receiver then displays the corresponding circuit breaker, eliminating the need for time-consuming trial and error. One of the main benefits of this tool is its ability to save time and increase efficiency. Electricians and technicians can quickly locate the correct circuit breaker, reducing the amount of time spent on a job and allowing for more time to be spent on other tasks. Additionally, the Circuit Breaker Finder is extremely easy to use, making it a valuable tool for both experienced and novice technicians.